That is Amtrak train 352, arriving in Battle Creek. Again, Amtrak train 352. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me, and if you did, go thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came here, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also, do me a favor, hit that notification bell, because whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified about it. But this was filmed on Thursday, February the 26th, 2026. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.